Doggone. I'm hungry, man. I need to make some food. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, this is Earl. Today we're gonna make some sandwiches, guys. Why I'm in the woods, you wonder? Well, I was looking for a pig so I could really get some ham, but I just remembered I went to the grocery store and I bought some, so making some sandwiches the way you've never had sandwiches before, guys. Hey, you guys hear that? Let's get to the grill. All right, guys, Earl here. Now, I got something to say right now. Steven's a piece of crap. If you guys aren't aware of what this channel is going to be about, all the alter egos, man. Me, Mofo Trucker, Joey, Norman, Susan, One Eye, Steven, even Steven. That rhymes. Doggone, didn't even mean to do it. We're about to do some stuff, man. We're going to cook some food, get in a bunch of fights, probably just tell each other we hate each other, and sometimes love each... I can't say that, but Mofo might, because... well, he's dumb, so it's gonna be a blast, guys. Let's make some sandwiches anyway. Here's where Steven thought he was gonna have a pool. Didn't happen, because he sucks. Idiot. Okay, guys, here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. I got some here, pepper jack cheese. You can use any cheese you want. I've got here some ham, honey ham, lettuce, Worcestershire sauce, some chives, some mayo, and bacon of your choice. I got some applewood seasoning here, some I call it gravel mustard, but it's stone ground. You're definitely gonna need some garlic, and your choice of you're gonna need to get some bread, guys. So over here, this bread I got, 100% whole wheat. It's just bread, whatever, don't matter what you guys need. And that's it. And don't forget this. This is my house. Welcome. Let's grill. Okay, guys, shout out to Tyler, one of my best friends who got this as a wedding gift. It's a Blackstone, and there's a freaking fly on it, man. Doggone, idiot fly. All right, forget it, just forget it. Now the Blackstone, guys, is really nice if you want to just have like breakfast and chicken and tacos and steak. I prefer steak on a charcoal grill, so we're definitely gonna do some of that someday. What else can you cook on the Blackstone? Steven's face. So, guys, I got a fun fact for you. The sandwich was actually invented by John Montague, the fourth Earl of sandwich. And the reason why he invented it was because he wanted a way to gamble with one hand and still eat at the same time. So what he did was he stuck meat between two pieces of bread, and it stuck. Crazy. Let's put this bacon on. There's only one way to get bacon good, guys. Just dig in, all right? Don't be afraid of the meat, man. Oh, there's no sizzle. There's no sizzle. We need the sizzle. Here, I'll make the sizzle sound myself. Another thing you guys can do while you're making bacon is you can actually put some brown sugar on it or garlic. Sometimes I do both. And some people even will dip it in like a batter and then fry it that way, and it actually holds all the moisture inside. So it's another way to do it. I'm just in the mood for some plain old bacon today, guys. So gotta be honest with you, I've never done the batter thing right now, but I have seen it in videos, and so I might try it someday. I don't freaking know. I'm real nervous, because there are a lot of mosquitoes out. If I get bit, I die. Not really, but what if I did, though? What if I actually got bit by a mosquito right now and died? That would suck. Wait, that's a pun, man. That would suck? Mosquitoes? Never mind. Let's check the bacon, shall we? Now, I do have a tip for you guys. You can use bacon grease to treat your pans and stuff, if you like bacon grease. Also, I am growing some beautiful tomatoes, guys. Beautiful tomatoes. It is just amazing. The tomatoes I'm growing right now, they are gorgeous. Look at that. Man, that is rotten. Doggone it. So there is some stuff I want to accomplish on this channel, guys. First of all, I want to entertain you guys. Well, me and the whole gang, Steven's alter egos. I want to teach you guys some real recipes. And that's about it, honestly. That's it. I want to know why this thing ain't getting hot. That's crazy. It usually I can't even stand next to it. This is really embarrassing. This is my first video and the gas ain't working right, so I'm actually getting pissed off. Oh shit. Where's my beer? It's cooking. I mean, it is cooking, guys. Okay, I think I'm low on gas and it's not registering because this is taking for freaking ever, guys. Anyway, I got the ham on there, or yeah, ham, honey ham. So it's gonna get nice and brown in like 14 years. Oh god, shit. Okay, guys. It's a little hot outside, so we're gonna start putting these sandwiches together. So I'm gonna toast the bread real quick. Now, personally, I like whole wheat toast. It just happens to just digest better for me, and my stomach really likes it, and I think it tastes really good. And so, oh yeah, I gotta flex a little bit. All right, there we go. So I personally just like the whole wheat toast, guys. If I could just get this freaking thing off the bread. Now, for a toaster, all you guys gotta do is put the bread, it's bread first, and then you press it down and it becomes toast. Now, I personally like my bacon more crispy than this, but I ran out of gas, so I was not prepared. But this will do, it's nice, it's real nice. Little trick I learned, guys, when you're making more than one sandwich and you're waiting for the other toast to toast and you don't want your bread soggy, just stick it up like this and it'll stay nice and dry for you and it'll be ready to go and nice and cool. Good to go, man. So, nice trick, because when you put the bread flat on the plate, it just ends up being soggy or moisture builds up on the bottom side, so we don't like that. And I don't like soggy bread. It's the worst thing ever. Why do I look so creepy right now? This is supposed to be a fun show. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the spread for everything. So what you do is you have the mayo like this, guys. You just get maybe 1 or 2 scoops of mayo. And then you take your Worcestershire, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire. Shake it up real good, man. Okay? Shake it up real nice. Oh, man. Pulled a muscle. Just kidding. I am real muscular, though, so I could pull one. And then you just kind of, you just eyeball it however much you want, man. But I like to just go crazy with it. So we're going to go like that. That's probably good. You take your mustard. I like this stone ground mustard. I call it gravel mustard again. I know I said that earlier. We put some of that in there. A couple of little scoops, whatever. I'm not good with measurements, whatever, don't matter. Then we've got our garlic here, guys. Garlic. Okay. To taste. All right, that's pretty good. That might be a lot. And then we got some apple rub seasoning here. Boom, 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 boom. And that's really it. Then you mix it up. Like this, guys. You just give her a good tossing. Yep, like that right now. And it ends up being so wonderful. Like this. So here's a nice consistency. Like that, guys. And then the last thing you do is add chives to it. Okay, that last frame showing you guys the ingredients. I don't know if it's gonna look right because I actually had slow mode. But here we go. Got some chives here. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Like that, guys, okay? These are Gordon Ramsay knives. Can you see that? Hold up a second. Click it. Gordon Ramsay. Take the chives, guys. We put them in there. And this ain't as smooth as a horse's tongue, but I tell you something right now, it's still pretty smooth. I'll show you what that looks like. I hope I get like 1 million subs one day so I have a camera person. You never know. You never know what could happen, guys, but this is it right here. This is your spread. Okay, guys, I'm improvising here for the angles, but here we go. We got the spread. We're just gonna put it on every single piece, guys, okay? If you leave people out in kickball, guess what happens? They get real sad. So if these are pieces of bread were kids on the kickball field, guess what would happen? I'm breathing so heavy. They would get sad. So we can't leave them all out. Can't leave them all out. Then we've got our bacon and our ham. So we're gonna ham up. We're gonna ham up, guys, like this. We're just gonna go like this, like that, like this. Is that it? I should have cooked more ham, but I should have really cooked more ham. It's okay. So now we're gonna add our bacon, like this, guys. Boom. Good thing we got lots of bacon though, so we're good. Got lots of bacon here. Boom, like this. definitely should have done more ham. I feel embarrassed, actually, but that's okay. Pepper jack cheese here. So 1 piece there, 1 piece here, like that. We got our lettuce, guys. Top her off with some lettuce. And if you want pickles on this, you can do that. I'm not much of a pickle guy for sandwiches, but some people like them. If you like pickles on your sandwiches, you're dumb, honestly. But hey, okay, now what we're gonna do here, this is important. We're gonna take our sandwiches and simply just give it the mom cut. Every mother who cares about her children cut their sandwiches like this, guys. That is it. Now let me get into the nitty gritty here. And look at that, man. Oh my goodness. That is, I will get better at this, I promise. I'm not used to doing this. So good. Okay guys, I got my food here. I'm gonna take my first bite and see how it is. Dear Jesus, thanks for this food. That's all I gotta say right now. Amen. God, that is so good, man. Hey guys, it's Earl. I just want to say thanks for watching, man. And if you guys have other recipes you want to see me or Mofo cook or Steven, preferably not Steven, he's kind of an idiot, but if you want to see him, let me know. He'll be a lot more normal, I guess, because he's a douche. Anyways, this is me making a sandwich. I will make more complicated food, but I didn't have much time today to make stuff, so let me know if you guys want a certain dish. Whatever you guys suggest for food will depend on who cooks it. If you want Italian food, that would obviously be Joey. Everything that sucks, Steven would cook. So don't forget to sub. Bye.